Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are a mobile crypto miner, you never want to miss out GLDN network mining, because this project is genuinely positioned to blow your mind. For those who are completely new to GLDN network mining, it is an emerging crypto and blockchain initiative aiming to tokenize real-world assets, especially physical gold. Now, if you are seeing my face for the very first time, welcome. My name is from Okpotatv, where we create simple, straightforward guide videos on crypto mining, airdrop, and mobile utilities tools. If your goal is to make money with crypto from your smartphone and master these emerging digital tools, smash that subscribe button right now and join our growing community on Telegram and WhatsApp. You will find the direct link in the pinned comments and the description of this video below. Today we are doing a comprehensive step-by-step walkthrough of the GLDN network setup, how to download the app safely, how to bypass installation warning, how to activate your account with a bonus code, and how to start your 24-hour mining cycle. So let's dive straight in. Alright, let's get into the practical setup guide. First, you need to download the official application. Do not go searching randomly on unofficial app store, where you might download fake or malicious Chrome. So go straight to the description of this video right now. I have pinned the official verified download link right at the top. Click that first link that you will see there, and it will take you directly to the official landing page, right where the arrow on your screen is pointing. On that page, you will see the header who said GLDN network free premium mining. When you scroll down just a little bit, you will see options for both APK files and the iOS system. The APK file is for Android user and iOS is for iPhone users. So for Android user, the APK file size is around 10 megabytes, making it quick and light to download. For iOS users, follow the prompt specifically to the iPhone platform. For this tutorial, I'm using an Android device, so I will select the Android APK option. Watch what happens when I tap it. A pop-up warning window will appear on your screen showing something like, "You are leaving our app. The website you are viewing is attempting to open an external app. Would you like to continue?" Just click continue, and you will see a prompt at the bottom of your screen asking where you would like to download the file. So just click download, and your download will take place instantly. Now, because you are downloading an APK file from an external browser source rather than the Google Play Store, Android security may trigger a standard warning message, and it may look like this, just what is showing on the screen. Do not panic and do not click cancel. This is a standard operating system warning for any APK file downloaded outside Google Play Store. So all you have to do is to click download anyway. Once the download is complete, tap on the download file to begin the installation. A standard system prompt will appear who said, "GLDN network, do you want to install this app?" Just click install. Once the installation is finished successfully, click open right where the arrow on the screen is pointing. Once the app opens, it will present you a clear login interface, and you can log in into GLDN network mining seamlessly using your existing Google Mail account. Then tap on sign in with Google right where the arrow is pointing. Then choose your preferred Google account to continue, and it will bring you to the account activation menu. And this is a critical step, guys, so pay close attention to avoid any mistake. When activating your GLDN network mining account, you need to input an activation code in the OPU box provided on the screen just where the arrow is pointing, and you can see the code on the screen showing. Enter this code in that OPU box where the arrow is pointing. This code helps to speed up your mining rate and give you a welcome bonus of 50 gold straight into your balance. Once you have entered the code, click save and continue, and you will see a short countdown timer from 10 down to 0 seconds. Just wait a brief moment for it to clear. Next, the main dashboard will display on your screen with the heading "Who said GLDN network next generation code." Then look closely just below the banner and you will see your total balance showing 0.00 GLDN right next to it. And you will see a button that says "Claim now." Tap that button and your mining will start instantly. And the timer will begin count down from 24 hours to 0. Your job here is simple. Log in into the app once or twice every 24 hours to check your progress and reset your next day mining cycle. You will see your active mining state counting up in real time alongside your 50 gold weapon bonus securely logged in your account balance. And there you have it, guys. Setting up and running GLDN network is that straightforward? If you found this video helpful, please smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you join our active WhatsApp and Telegram community using the link below. That is where we drop instant updates, withdrawal announcements, and troubleshooting tips whenever new app version is dropped. And before you go, take a look at the 8th screen right now. I have linked 3 recommended videos for you. Video to pop up here shows you how to mine grade. And by the time making this video, 1 grade is $1.8 and you are entitled to mine 10 to 20 grade every day. While the one to show up here shows our latest crypto project updates and news roundup. Then the one to show at the bottom here shows you a step-by-step tutorial on how to collect your wallet to GLDN network for token withdrawal. So select one of these videos that I'll be showing on the screen now to keep learning and earning. And I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe, keep mining, and peace out.